Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a page on Perplexity AI. Simple hover over the home on the left hand side and you will see library. Click the plus and you will see pages and threads. So if you click on pages, guys, or page, you will see that you can add a new page. You can choose the audience. As you can see, it's anyone, beginner or even expert. You can choose whatever and you can write your content there as you wish. If you want to create a page about any one of these, you can also start by, trying out one of these, see how it works. So let's say AI overview, we can click on that as an example, and you will see that it's gonna, basically start writing the page for us, and we will be able to see what it looks like afterwards. And as you can see, the page is actually taking shape. It's pulling the sources and all those good stuff, and you can always modify whatever it is. So let's just give it a few more so let's just allow it a few more moments to fully create all the info on this page so that you can see exactly what it looks like. And there you have it, guys. The page is finished and you can scroll down and you can see what it is. So I've easily created a page here, and guess what? You can always come here. You can modify whatever, you can edit different sections, all of those good stuff. And once you're ready, you can simply go ahead and publish. So you can publish any page as you wish here once you're done, guys, and you can always preview it to see what it looks like. This is what it looks like, and you can always continue to write and so forth. Once you're ready, you can publish the page. So I'm going to just quickly click publish here, right here, so that you can see, and that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.